how to delete all Facebook messages by one click. So if you want to delete your all Facebook messages by one click, then it's not possible in Messenger, right? So what you need to do is simply open up your Play Store, or you can go with your App Store and then search for delete messages on Messenger. And here you will have the application, right? So you need to simply tap and install the application. And once you've installed, you can simply tap on the open button, which is on the right side. And now you can tap on login with Facebook and you can log into your account. So make sure that you've been logged into your Facebook. And once you've logged into your Facebook, now you can remove that and then you can tap on login with Facebook and then enter your email or your password. So here you need to tap on use and tap on login. And once you log into your account, here on the first you will have delete normal conversations. So tap on that option, and once you tap on that, here you will have all of the conversations or all of the messages of your Facebook Messenger. So if you want to delete all of your Facebook messages, then what you can do is simply go for the upper right corner, which has that square shaped box. Tap on that and it will select all of your conversations. So if you want to delete all of your Facebook messages, then you need to simply tap on that option and then tap on delete conversations, and you can delete your conversations. So tap on delete conversations and then it is starting to delete all of the conversations. And now your conversations has been deleted successfully. So that's it. That's how you delete all of your conversations of your Facebook Messenger. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.